and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine, and in today's video I have an exciting small Bath & Body Works haul. Before we go on to the haul, if you haven't subscribed and you've reached the end of the video, be sure to subscribe. It's absolutely free, and tell your mama, your sister, everybody to subscribe too. Also give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos. Let's go on to the haul. Like I said, this is a super small Bath & Body Works haul, but I still wanted to share the goodies that I got. I'm not the greatest at describing smells at all, so I did go on their website to jot down the description. The first one that I got is called Mahogany Coconut, and it's described as creamy coconut, mahogany wood, English lavender, and essential oils. And I'm gonna apologize in advance if I do too many sounds, because I just love their candles. It smells so good. I wish you guys could actually smell it. It's really strong. I just hope when I light it, it's just as strong. You know, sometimes you get candles and you light them and it's kind of disappointing. I'm really hoping that this one smells good when I light it. The next one is Strawberry Pound Cake, and it's described as a sweet, airy swirl of fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, and whipped cream. See, there I go. I'm telling you, it smells so good. It smells like a lovely, yummy pound cake, like dessert. I wish you could smell it. Oh, delicious. Moving along to Pineapple Mango. This is described as fresh pineapple juice, mango, vine ripened raspberries with essential oils. Ooh, it smells good, guys. Oh my. It smells like I should be on the beach somewhere with a nice drink, alcoholic drink. It smells really, really good. Love it. The last candle that I have is Cookies and Cream Milkshake. It's described as chocolate cookie crumbles, vanilla bean, ice cream, chocolate drizzle with essential oils. The description alone, I want to eat it. It smells like a cup of warm hot chocolate. It smells like a cup of cocoa. Oh, it's so good. And I just love the label. They're all so pretty. I can't even pick a favorite, you guys. Like, I love them all. If you have any of these candles, let me know what you think about them. I just have a few more things. I picked up some car fresheners, you know, the little refills. I'll just go through them. Obviously, I can't open them, but I can describe them to you. I did pick up 2 champagne toasts because I really like champagne toast. It's described as a cheers-worthy spritzer of bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, and juicy tangerine. That's champagne toast. The next one is Cactus Blossom. It's described as sweet, crisp blend of cactus flower petals, sun-kissed coconut, and vanilla. I like anything that's vanilla. The last one is Tiki Beach. It's described as vanilla musk orchids and toasted coconut. Randomly, I just picked up one little pocket hand sanitizer. It's in the scent Frosted Coconut Snowball. It's described as toasted coconut, vanilla musk, whipped cream with essential oils. Smells delicious. Like everything else I have. That's it. That's everything to my haul. I told you it was just a small one. If you've purchased anything from Bath & Body Works lately, let me know in the comments below. Or if you have any questions, of course, you can ask as well. Thank you so much for watching, lovelies, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.